Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec Billet aluminum fuel filler doors for the 2007 to 2018 two-door and four-door Jeep Wrangler JK. Now if you're looking for a way to add a little bit of style and some functionality, well, you need to take a look at these fuel filler doors. They're machined from solid 6061 T6 aircraft aluminum, so you know they're going to be durable and strong and very corrosion resistant. To top that off, they're going to be finished off in a slightly textured black powder coating that's going to look great for years to come. They also feature 6 chromed hex cap screws around the outside trim ring of the fuel door. Now, these technically are a no drill installation, and if you flip these over, you'll notice those screws do not protrude past the backside of the trim ring. They're purely there for aesthetics. In fact, these fuel filler doors actually install with a couple pieces of 3M VHB tape. Now, if you've ever used that 3M tape before, you know that it's extremely strong and very durable. In fact, a lot of OE auto manufacturers use this tape to secure things like trim on the outside of different vehicles. Now, while that tape is there, and it would be enough to secure these to your Wrangler, we do provide you with 3 stainless steel screws. And when you open that fuel filler door, you'll notice 3 places here where those self-drilling screws will install. Now, they do not drill through the body of your Wrangler, so you're not gonna have to worry about any kind of corrosion or anything occurring. They simply install through the existing plastic filler neck, and they just help to assist in securing the fuel door, helping out those pieces of tape on the backside. And where they really come into play is if you choose the locking version of the fuel filler door. Of course, we provide you with 2 keys for that door, and that's just going to offer you some additional protection for your gas and your fuel inside of your Wrangler. And if somebody were ever to try to pry this off, that's where those screws are really going to come into play. Of course, we also provide a full set of instructions for you to help make the installation easy. Now, if you want to get more information or purchase a Quadratec Billet aluminum fuel filler door for your Wrangler, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them for us below or hit us up at any of the options on the screen in front of you. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our product reviews. Give us a thumbs up if you like today's video. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.